It's the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Friday, January 23rd. I'm James Spann. Chance of a few snowflakes late tonight. And increasing signs we might be dealing with an Arctic blast around the 1st of February. So a lot of things to talk about here. Let's go right to it. Today, well, what you see is what you get. Cloudy, cold, gloomy, damp, wet, drizzly. That's our Trussville Skycam. The Gadsden Skycam up on the mountain by Nakalula Falls. You can barely see the city down below. And look at the Gulf of Mexico looking awfully choppy. A lot of rough surf there. That's coming from the Phoenix All Suites down in Gulf Shores. Very strong upper trough digging through Texas, providing the nasty weather today across the region. Actually, the heavier rain is east of here. This is the radar coming from Maxwell Air Force Base at 2:30. But we've got low clouds and drizzle and fog and just kind of nasty. As expected, temperatures not getting out of the 40s. Birmingham at 48. And some spots not out of the 30s. Haleyville and Muscle Shoals in the upper 30s. It's cold up there. No advisories for the state tonight. We've got winter weather advisories from the mountains of North Carolina on north. And again, this is the overall thinking here. Some light snow after midnight. Maybe a little bit in the grassy areas. Travel impact minimal, maybe an icy spot on a bridge up in the Tennessee Valley in extreme North Alabama. We'll take a look at the modeling here in a second. This is the chance of greater than 1 inch of snow between 6 o'clock this evening and 6 o'clock tomorrow evening. The better probabilities, of course, well to the northeast of here. All right, you model fans, a lot of things to talk about. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow morning at 6 o'clock. And there's that big upper trough digging through here, the axis a little east of here at that point. This is the HRR model, the HRRR at 3 a.m. The blue, that's snow. This is suggesting snow possible in areas north of Birmingham. There might be a snowflake down at Gardendale or North Birmingham, but again, the bulk of it's going to be north of the city. This is the GFS at 6 a.m., same thing, showing a chance for a bit of snow over the northern third of the state. And if there's any issues, it might be a slick spot on a bridge over the Tennessee Valley. Nothing especially widespread. Most people are going to sleep right through this. By noon, it's all gone. The sky becomes sunny. And we'll expect a high close to 50 tomorrow. Just depends on when the sun breaks out. Sunday should be a nice day. We warm up. How about upper 50s? Yeah, I feel good. The sky mostly sunny. A clipper coming down that northwest flow aloft near St. Louis. Monday, that thing rapidly races off the coast. And the impacts of the clipper mainly northeast of Alabama. I guess the northeastern corner of the state. Maybe if you're up in Jackson or DeKalb County, you might catch a raindrop or a snowflake Monday, but the rest of the state will be dry and a bit colder with a high probably back in the upper 40s. Tuesday, a sunny and a cool day, the high around 50. And we're dry for the rest of the week. This is Wednesday. I'll probably get down in the 20s to start the day, the high in the 50s. Thursday, and a week from today. Looks pretty nice. In fact, we might touch 60 if this is right. However, just beyond this period now, this is day 7, Friday from a week from today. This is the following day, Saturday, the 1st of February. I'm sorry, it's Saturday, the 31st of January. These OZ times can be confusing. But you can see a disturbance coming through that might squeeze out some light rain, maybe some light snow to the north. That is not a big precipitation event, not a big winter storm event. But boy, look what happens here. This is the story. This is the 1st of February, Sunday evening. Very deep trough, digging down into the eastern part of the continent. Big ridge pumping up in the west. And the gates to the Yukon all of a sudden are open. Very strong cold air advection, screaming north winds. I mean, this day looks very cold. Again, this is Sunday, the 1st of February. Look at the anomalies here. Holy smokes. 18 to 25 degrees below average. It looks very cold out here. How cold, it's a little hard to say, but it clearly potential for a hard freeze on several mornings around the 1st of February. But the ensembles have not picked it up yet. They've got us down to 24, but don't be shocked if these numbers start coming down around February 1st and 2nd. Wouldn't be shocked if we see highs in the 30s and lows in the teens on those days. Arctic oscillation confirming that, going strongly negative around the 1st of the month, and the NAGO going strongly negative. So all the data finally coming together to support an Arctic shot. Cold air, very cold air coming down the pike here in about 8 or 9 days. So hang tight. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. My next video will be Monday morning at 7. Brian Peters, the man that looks like Colonel Sanders. We'll have the updates here tomorrow and Sunday. And if you can't catch us this evening on the live stream of the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless.